Is one machine enough to roast all the products? If yes, how? Product behaviors अलग अलग है. Some are soft in nature like makhana, chana. Some are hardcore like nuts, seeds, grains. And some explodes like popcorn and millets. So 3 different nature: hardcore, softcore and busty, and only one machine. So let's see. Need to understand core science behind it. How we can treat the different nature of product in one machine. What are the important engineering variables? Number 1, nature of product, which decides the residence or retention time of the product during roasting. उसे कितने समय तक रोस्ट करना है, this is one of the important factor. Number 2, that is the heat profile. At what temperature we are going to roast this product. Number 3, it's a bulk density. Bulk density we normally measure at the beginning or at the end, means at the raw stage or at the finished good stage. That we measure in the grams per liter, means how much weight of the product we are having in 1 liter volume. इससे हमारा batch size decide होता है. We decide the batch size of the product. Number 4, uniform material movement to get a exposure of heat profile to the product while processing. Number 5, airflow control. Prefer to go with the induced drafting, not with the forced drafting. Number 6, the requirement of media. Media means we need to feed some media inside the roasting machine to get a uniform exposure, especially for the busty products like popcorn and millets. Three products of different nature and only one machine. So what should be the engineering perception? Popcorn and millets releases explosive moisture. Makhana, that is porous in nature and heats rapidly on the surface. Nuts, seeds, grains, beans in hardcore and needs more time to get internal heat transfer. Efficiency is not only energy saving, it means uniform color, reduced scorching, uniform moisture loss, more yield and lower rejection. In roasting, efficiency means repeatability. Why conventional system struggles? Because it has single heat profile, no control on the temperature, visual inspection for the residence time, and finally manual intervention, which can change time to time depending on the person who is operating that machine. Multi-product roasting machine is not about running more snacks in one machine. It is basically designing a heat profile and addressing the product behavior and change in optimized roasting environment. On sales point of view, if you are having a startup, you need to go for the multi-product roaster because market always demands the number of products. You must have the number of products in your basket. Then only you can cater to your distribution channel and consumers.